All right, Marina, congratulations, fiance here.
Thank you, baby.
So tell
I'm a
us,
fiance.
was it a surprise? How is it now? Give us a little bit about the engagement story.
All right. First of all, it was a surprise. The second one, I'm very excited. Like, I'm very surprised.
So now, when you came to the stage and you saw the words, "Will you marry me?" What came to your mind?
I was like, he might be joking. He might be joking because what the fuck? Because you know, it's supposed to be like the whole day. Obviously, you know, because it's just I don't know the stuff that teaches nagato. Nanone relationships konzafitanye nayo imizi neza ntabwo nabitekerezaga ariko n'ubundi niho byashiraga, so I'm very surprised and excited and nervous ndikumva ntabwo ndizera ko nyine byabaye like nyine gutaha nkabitekereza bureza.
And now I know you're gonna
I'm
tell
gonna
him.
be a wife. Yes, Christ, Richie. Yeah.
I know you're gonna tell him a lot of words, but what would be your message to him now?
For now, babe, Fiance, I love you so much. I love you so much. You my baby for life. My fiance, my future husband, my husband.
And then you just performed the song Urugoro here.
Exactly. Normally it's quite because the practice teaches a to say performing. Then I'm going to so numva ko ndi performing ndi kurimbira abantu abakunzi bacu nago nari nzi ko bizagenda ariko none ndi performing nase numva ndi kuririmbira cause what's now.
Congratulations.
Thank you.